Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you this braided hairstyle that is quite easy to do. You need some Dutch braid skills, but I'm showing you how to do it. I'm taking just the crown hair, take a good portion, and for the time being I'm just clipping it away. It's a lightly oval shape. Then I'm taking the hair in the neck. I'm using a soft hair tie to bound everything together. This is just for the hair to be away. Now we are working with the crown hair. I'm using only water today to tame the flyaways because my hair was freshly washed and then everything flies, and like this is easier for me to braid. So try to take a small portion from the front. Check that it's a good amount, not too big, and then bring right under, left under the middle, and when you go with the right again under the middle, you are going to add in some hair. You see I'm pushing, grabbing with the fingers to the other side. I add in hair, and then I do the same thing the right hand side, always grabbing first the strand and then adding in some hair. Make small strands, this looks neater, and you will have more of the braid stitches later. Again, going under, adding in hair, smooth everything neatly out. Again, going under, grabbing some new hair. You do this until all the crown hair that you sectioned apart before is added into your braid. Smooth out the rest of the hair so that you don't have it tangled. And when there's no more hair to add in, you just braid some more stitches. I'm taking now the last strand, down a bit so that you can see better, and now you just do the regular Dutch braid, and we want to braid until the hair ties. So left under the middle, right under the middle, left under the middle, right under the middle. If you cannot Dutch braid, you can start to do this from the top, then the braid starts a bit later, not on the very beginning of your hair, but that's fine. I'm pancaking it because I want it to look wider, so pull carefully the outer edges from the braid to make the braid wider. That's it. When you have that, you do the same on the top. Therefore, I like to see myself in the mirror. The mirror I have just right under my camera, so this helps. Then take a little hair tie. Tie the hair, the end of the braided ponytail together, and we're just adjusting a bit. If you need hairspray, you can take that. I do not want to add any product, that's why I used water at the beginning. Bring this hair away, and now take your remaining hair, split it into 2 equal sections, and bring it around this ponytail. Pull the ponytail straight down, take a little hair tie, tie the hair over this braid, and flip it from the top down. Tie it, and then also pull from the braided part the hair tie up, and that's the final result. We just have very quickly done a braid and then brought the rest of the hair over. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you back soon. Bye bye.